As if it's not enough, we've got these fantastic 5-bedroom homes. If you need a wee bit of work from home, get away from it all, this is what you need. We are offering to our customers as part of our relationship with the Outdoor Building Group is that they can have this installed as soon as they move in. We've got a really cool tool that you can add in downlights, take them away, add in an extra door, make it a little bit bigger. This is the standard size. This is actually the smallest size. And look, we've got a space for a wee bit of a space to relax. And then behind here we've got your workspace with your desk. So you've got a full bifold all included. Your walls are all finished, you've got some heating, you get some downlights. So it's all really quite finished to such a high standard. And then we've put this lovely divider in to give you a wee bit of a relaxation space when it all gets too much with your television and you play your guitar and play a wee tune.